Hey guys, what's happening? How to family share games on Steam. So first of all, just go ahead and update your application on PC, right? And then what you're gonna do, and also activate your two-factor authentication in order to make it happen, right? So after you added that layer of protection, just go ahead and log in, right? Using or log into your friend's account, and then log in with your friend's account, and then click the Steam logo at the top, and then hit settings, right? And then go to the family. Now this is all applies on the application itself, not the website. So if you want more features like the family share game, right, or adding another layer of protection or sharing games with friends and family, you could just go ahead and download the Steam application from their official website. And then you're gonna see family, right? Make sure to hit it. And then you're gonna see family view, family library sharing, and authorized library sharing on this device. Make sure to activate this option. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here eligible accounts, Emily or Michael in this case, and in your case, maybe, your kids are using different names or different aliases, but you get the point. So you're gonna turn on their name right next to the name, so you can activate the sharing game, okay? And select up to 5 eligible users to share your library, okay? And if you want to set up request and access, make sure to activate the Steam Guard in order to protect your account, right? And apply to both users. And then what you're gonna do, sign out, right? And then log into your friend's account, okay? And then find the game you want to play in your friend's library, and then hit borrow. And then go to the manage devices and accounts, and make sure to go to the family library sharing, okay? And then of course the same as always, settings, family, and then hit manage. All right, and under the username you're gonna see your kid's name, right? Make sure if you want to authorize or if you want to revoke the authorization for them to play this game, right? And basically hit revoke next to their authorized, right? Next to the authorized button. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.